Okay, give me a second.
Oh, yeah, it's right there.
Ah. I think I got it. Welcome everybody to JustPewIt. My name is Andrew, and today we are going to see if we can stop a bullet with a garbage disposal. See what happens. All right, first up we got some 17 grain 17 HMR coming out of the Savage A17. Safe. All right, let's see what kind of damage we did.
Looks like we barely even went in right there.
All right. All right, up next we got some 55 grain green tip coming out of my DPMS Sporticle with the Vortex Strike Eagle. Safe.
All right, so it looks like we went in a little low. We might have to do that one again.
All right, so we're gonna go round two with the 5.56 green tip, shot a little bit low. So see what we can do this time.
All right, let's see what we did. Did we miss it completely? Or did we hit the same spot? Oh, no. Well, we tried to come out through right there, but I'm not seeing an entry hole. Huh. Well, it all the way to there. Didn't come all the way out though. Let's see what happens with the next one.
Up next, we got some M80 ball 300 blackout.
You just gonna work your way up?
Yes, sir. Help it fit actually. Okay.
What did the 17 do?
Nothing. That's my dad, by the way.
Huh?
Talking about you.
Oh.
And we are safe.
All right, the 300 blackout looks like it went right there and did not come out. I wonder if we can see inside here. Well, went straight into the motor and did not come out. All right, up next.
All right, up next, we got some 75 grain 224 Valkyrie coming out of my Mark 12 with the Vortex Diamondback Tactical. Safe.
All right, so with that 224 Valkyrie, we went in. Where did we hit? Oh, we blew out the bottom on this one. It looks like we went low again. Where we going right there? Might have went in right there. Came out the bottom. You got a whole bunch of jacket down there, but all right, up next.
All right, up next we got some 120 grain 6.5 Creedmoor coming out of my Mossberg Patriot with the Cabela's Covenant 5. We are safe.
So that 6.5 Creedmoor went in right there, and it came out right there, but didn't even make a scratch on the next one. All right, 308 next.
And up next we got some M80 Ball 308 coming out of my Mossberg Patriot with the Vortex Crossfire 2. Let's see what we can do.
All right, so that 308 made a nice size hole going through. Came out the back, blew a hole into the second one, but did not come out. All right, let's turn this guy so at least we can get some new footage on that. Turn it that way.
All right, up next we got some 174 grain coming out of this Mossberg Patriot 7mm rim mag. All right, take 2 on the 7mm rim mag.
Damn.
There we go. There we go.
All right, so it looks like it spun it. Now, where'd you go in at? So it went in right there. Where'd you come out though? I think it got stuck inside the motor and just knocked this one over. Yeah, I think it hit all the main metal inside, got stuck. All right, let's try out that 338 Lapua.
All right, last but not least, we got some 250 grain 338 Lapua Magnum coming out of my Savage Precision 110 with the Vortex Viper PA. Well, she's smoking.
Holy moly.
Safe.
All right, so we went in right there. Damn, that thing's still hot. And we got stuck inside the motor. No way. I did not expect that. Here, let's try out a new one real quick first. Let's try that one more time.
All right, take 2 on the 250 grain 338 Lapua Magnum. Safe.
All right, so we went into the first one right here, blew the bottom out, but did not come out, got stuck in the motor. All right, so somehow knocked the cap and everything off of this one way over there. All right, well, I didn't expect that.
All right, guys, so as we saw, kind of really didn't go through much. It actually got stuck in the motor for almost every single one of them. If you liked the video, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and always, just pew it. Thanks, guys.
You just put it up here just like regular?
Just like regular.
Huh?
Yeah, just like regular. Put your hand on the front of the stock. No, not on the mag, right there.
Right here?
Nope, on the front, right there.
Holy moly.